Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir. Many times when we are writing an article or anything wherein we write the name of Allah or the name of the Prophet Sallallahu, we want to follow up with stating Sallallahu or stating Jalla Jalaluhu after stating Allah's name. But we don't do so sometimes because it feels a bit long, it feels a bit tedious, and we replace it with SAW or the abbreviation of peace be upon him, etc. But here inshallah we'll show you a few Microsoft Word built-in shortcuts to write Sallallahu completely, write Jalla Jalaluhu completely, without having this feeling of it being too long, as it is a shortcut in itself. So, shortcut number 1, FDFA. Now this is the code that you type in, and you have to follow up with the submit keys, which is Alt X. There we are. Now you can change the calligraphy of it slightly by changing the font, just highlighting it simply, and then choosing whatever font you would prefer. As you can see, some of them look really nice. Number 2, FDFB, followed by the submit keys. Again, for all of these, the submit keys will be Alt X. We have Jalla Jalaluhu. Shortcut number 3, FDFC. Use our submit keys, Alt X, and we have Riyal. Shortcut number 4, FDFD, and you submit it using Alt X, and you have Bismillahir. Again, all of these you can vary the font to get a different design, different calligraphy style. Shortcut number 5, FDF2. Submit with Alt X, and you have Allah. Shortcut number 6, FDF4, submit using Alt X, and you have Muhammad Sallallahu. A summary of everything that has just been mentioned can be seen in this table here. So if you want to write Sallallahu, you type in the code FDFA, followed by the submit key Alt X. And likewise for Jalla Jalaluhu, for Riyal, for Bismillahir, for Allah, for Muhammad, you type in these codes and submit using these keys here, Alt X. Now the source of all of these can be found within the insert tab, in the insert ribbon, into the option, symbol option. You go to more symbols, and you'll be shown this view here when you go for the first time. Here you'll have to go right to the bottom, scroll up slightly, and then here we are. We have Allah, we have Muhammad, we have Sallallahu, you have Jalla Jalaluhu, you have Riyal, you have Bismillahir. And as you can see, for Sallallahu, the shortcut built in for it is FDFA, followed by Alt X. For Jalla Jalaluhu, you have FDFB, etc. Now you might want to apply your personalized shortcut, which is faster maybe than the ones that are automatically placed within the system, and that is very easily feasible as well. You just click the icon that you want to add a different shortcut to. For example, myself, I've added for Bismillahir Control B. How you can do that is by clicking the icon and then clicking shortcut key. And in this text field here, you click the shortcuts that you want to apply. So I want to apply Control B, and then assign, close, and close. I'm going to click Control B after centering it so we can see it nicely. Get the font a bit bigger. So we hit Control B, and we have Bismillahir. Inshallah, something else that will be really useful, especially for those who have a habit of writing SAW as an abbreviation for Sallallahu, is an autocorrect replacement shortcut, which will replace your SAW for Sallallahu. And how that can be done is, like before, going into the insert ribbon, into the symbols option, more symbols, then clicking Sallallahu, for example, as we want to add the shortcut to this, and then we go into autocorrect, and then as you can see, it's already been selected, and we want that to replace SAW. And of course, SAW is also an English word, So whenever you be using a sentence, we don't want that to be replaced by Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Like in a sentence, saying, I saw him doing this. We don't want that word saw to be changed to Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So maybe we want it to be replaced with SAW dot, and I'm going to replace it. For me, it's saying an autocorrect entry for saw dot already exists because I've already applied it before. So when you do this, this hopefully won't pop up unless you've done the same thing. So I'm going to click OK, does it make a difference? And OK, I'm going to close, and I'm going to type that in, SAW dot, and then there we are. And inshallah that is of you. Assalamu alaikum.